Hello everybody. If you're looking at this YouTube video, unfortunately you are probably a pool owner who has Pentair Globrite pool lights or spa lights that are not working or are working erratically. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of complaints about these lights on the internet. What I do know from personal experience is that all 4 of my pool lights have failed. And while they are in fact being replaced with the redesigned light under warranty, my pool installer tells me that the new redesigned pool light is also failing. If your pool light is sort of working, it's on but the colors may not be right, just look on the end of the lamp, and if you see any water in there or any brown discoloration, your light is going to fail because the body of the lamp is leaking. So based on that input from the installer, I'm going to assume that these new ones are also going to fail, and I will certainly not replace them with a Pentair. Pentair does sell a tool that looks like this to remove and install these lights, but I'm going to post a video with a link in the upper right hand corner showing you a much better tool, much more durable, and it works much better than the Pentair tool. In case you're wondering what the new one looks like, here's a picture showing the old and the new. The new one has a blue gasket, the old one has a white gasket, but you can see there are other differences. Subtle, but there are other differences between the redesign and the original design. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.